Clyde of Iru Productions, and today we're going to talk about something that is a game changer for car videographers, and that is the MOVMAX Blade arm. The MOVMAX Blade arm is a car camera mounting system that is designed to isolate vibration and give you those silky smooth shots like what you see on professional car videos. Let's face it, bumpy roads can really ruin your footage, but with the help of vibration isolator like the MOVMAX Blade arm, this will help you save time on reshoots and also level up your car videos. The Blade arm uses a combination of high-quality materials and smart design to achieve this. It's got a sturdy main body to connect to your car using stainless screws and high-grade alloys. You can sense the quality of the build just by touching it. This main body connects to the isolation arm with the built-in dampeners. These dampeners absorb unwanted vibration coming from the road, ensuring that your camera stays stable. Mounting your camera onto the MOVMAX Blade arm is super easy. It uses a universal 1/4" screw that fits most of action cameras, especially the Osmo Pocket 3 here. Once mounted, you can adjust the blade arm to get the perfect angle for your shot. One thing to take note of is that the blade arm has extra weights here on the side that you need to balance before you do the shoot. There are a few setups that you can do with the blade arm. You can put the Osmo Pocket on top, like this one, or you can put it at the bottom. During our test, it doesn't have any difference on performance whether you put it on top or at the bottom. Still works. Make sure that it's on a flat surface. And next is that the red line is gone or is not visible, to make sure that the camera or the bracket itself will not fall. I'm gonna try and pull it out. As you can see, the fender might fall off, but the bracket will not. What we're going to do is put it to the test and see how it performs. Will it be able to keep up on shooting cars? Let's find out and do some roller shots. Let's talk about the good points of the MOVMAX Blade arm. It's really unnoticeable. You can use it on expressway without attracting the attention of traffic enforcers. It's compact, you can put it on your backpack. This is suitable for videographers that are always on the go, or what we call run and gun. Plus, the setup is a breeze. You can easily change angle on where you want to install it on your chase car. Comparing the size and the installation of big camera car mounts, it would take 2 to 3 persons to move that from front angle to back angle shot. But with the MOVMAX Blade arm, you can do it yourself. I'd say in 10 seconds, you can have it up and running and continue with your roller shots. The blade arm does have a few limitations, and the first thing to consider is compatibility. It's designed for action cameras, and it works really well with the Osmo Pocket 3. And if you're using bigger DSLRs or mirrorless cameras, you might need a bigger camera rig like the N2 Arm or the N2 Arm Mini, also by MOVMAX. So what's my verdict on the MOVMAX Blade Arm? It's a fantastic option for car videographers who are looking for affordable and compact way to level up their car videos. It may not be perfect for every situation, but the MOVMAX Blade Arm offers a higher value for its price, especially for those who are just starting out or hobbyists. If you're on a budget and you want to take your car videos to the next level, the MOVMAX Blade Arm is definitely worth considering. Huge shout outs to MOVMAX for sponsoring this video. Don't forget to drop a comment below and let us know what type of car videos you watch. And as always, hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Until next time, stay irie.